understand the format. Formatting will give you understanding the things. Okay, now just see the share. Okay, in front of you there is a cost sheet form. First we are going to understand that form, and then after we will take a practical sum. But that practical sum will be solved by you, because once we will understood one basic format, we will get into the point. See, cost sheet format. This format will not change at any cost. Keep in mind, we are not going to change this format. In the whole chapter, we will be having the same level. 15 marks you will, in the examination, the weightage of this topic is 15 marks. Once you will understand that what will come in which area, you will be easily get solved the sums. Okay, now cost sheet step. If you can go through the stepwise understanding also, and you can go through the your logical way also, and probably I'm using logical way rather than that this formatting way. Okay, now first one, you are having direct material. Then in that, add opening stock of raw material, add purchase of raw material. Basically, when you talks about direct material, opening stock, add purchase, expenses related to purchase of raw material, like freight. Then after, you are having different types of expenses that will comes into the expenses, but that should be related to your only direct material. Then after, less closing stock of raw material. हमेशा याद रखना, you have to subtract, you can say, closing stock every time. Add opening, less closing. Add opening, less closing. And which part is related to what, you should understand. And this part will help you once you will understand this one. In TY, you are having integrated and non-integrated costing. There you have to understand how it's going to work out, because once you will understand the steps, in TY you are having integrated and non-integrated costing, and in that integrated non-integrated costing, 30 marks are there for this topic again. It will help you out. So I want each and everyone should understand each and every aspect of cost sheet right now. Number one, A part, direct material. In that, opening stock of raw material, add purchase, add expenses, less closing stock. So you will get net material consumed. Here you will get net material consumed. Okay. After that, B part is direct wages, direct expenses. See the main heading, direct material plus direct wages plus direct expenses. So you are getting prime cost. Here you are getting prime cost. These are the main heads which you have to calculate in the examination also. First one, direct material, add direct wages, add direct expenses, you will get prime cost. Then after, work overheads. In work overheads, you have to less sale of scrap, waste, recoveries. Under that, work in progress, add opening stock of WIP, add opening stock of WIP, less closing stock of WIP. Then after this calculation, you will get works cost. You will get works cost. Once you will get works cost, then next part, quality control cost, research and development cost. Probably quality control cost never comes. Keep in the mind, it's just a part of format, but practically it does not come. So you need not worry about it, quality control cost. But research and development cost, they can ask only research and development cost, not more than that. Then office administrative expenses. Once you will calculate office administrative overheads, you will get cost of production. The things which are keeping in the yellow form, they are the main heads of your income. Once you will get those, you can move forward that. Finished goods. In finished goods, add opening stock, less closing stock. You will get cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Once you will get cost of goods sold, then add sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. Add sales and distribution. Then once you will get sales and distribution, you will get the final amount of cost of cells. That is addition of N and O. I have given you each and every part over here, so you should understand it very well. Then after, you have profit and loss, and then you have cells. In examination, you will get already cells. Okay, so we have to calculate cost of cells, and we will get then after cells. Now we are having sum over here. I'm just telling you, take 5 minutes, read cost sheet properly, and then after we will move into the solution of the cost sheet. We will take first sum over there, but just read it once. I will adjust you this page, just a second. Okay, leave it. See here. Now you can see it very well. So just take 5 minutes, and then after I'm going to start with this sum. You are going to solve it, but I want first cost sheet. Then after we will revise it again very well. Take 5 minutes, and please, I don't want any voice over here. Don't try from your side. Someone is writing over there from annotate. Don't try to do it. Okay. Now, almost you have read all the parts. Okay. Now, I'm going to start again new thing with this. I just want that all of you unmute yourself, but whenever I will tell you, speak that time only. Do not make chows over Zoom, okay? Now, we are starting with the whiteboard now. Okay. Now, in cost sheet, what is the first thing? What is the first thing in the cost sheet? What you seen in the first part?
Direct material.
Perfect. Direct material. Okay. We will take as a direct material DM. Okay. DM. Plus, when you will add in the DM, what will be the next? Direct material, direct labor. Plus, direct expenses. What you will get out of it?
Prime cost.
Perfect. Prime cost. Once you will add with the prime cost, what you will add with the prime cost? What you will add?
Work overhead.
Perfect. Works
Work.
overheads. Overheads. Those are doing time pass. I'm really telling you, it's an accounting lecture and you know how much it is important. And those are slipping for them only again. Now, with the when you will add works overheads, in that what you will add again? I have already told you about opening and closing. What was that?
Work
What
in
was that?
progress.
Perfect.
WIP.
Opening stock of WIP less closing stock of
WIP.
closing stock of WIP, and after that what you will get? After that what you will get? Just remind it what you will get. What?
Work in progress.
Works cost. Perfect. Someone told that works cost. Then after what you will add in the works cost? वर्क कॉस्ट में क्या ऐड करने के बाद आगे कुछ ये आएगा? Someone was there na? Quality control overheads or something.
Yes.
Quality control overheads. Perfect. Quality control overheads
Research and development.
plus
Research and development.
research and development. Then after, again, we have to add something in it. What is that? Administrative. Administrative, na?
Overheads.
Admin overheads. Once you will get this one, what will be the output of this?
Cost of production.
Cost of production. Then after, again, you have to add something in it. What you will get out of it?
Finished goods.
Sales distribution.
Just revised it, what you did. That's why I told you we have to understand these topics first of all. What was that?
Finished goods.
Finished?
Goods.
Okay. After cost of production, opening stock of?
Finished goods. Add
Opening stock of finished goods plus, minus closing stock of closing stock of finished goods.
Finished goods.
Okay. And after that, what you will get?
cost of
goods sold.
Cost of
goods
goods sold. Perfect. Cost of goods sold. Once you will get cost of goods sold, what do you have to add in it? What do you have to add? Sales and
Sales and
distribution.
profit and
Sales and distribution. Perfect. Sales and distribution. Once you will add the sales and distribution, what you will get again?
Cost of sales.
Cost of sales. Perfect. This is called my students. Okay. And once you will get cost of sales, you have to see what are the sales, and already in the exam in the sum you will get the sales, and in between that you have to find out profit or
profit.
loss,
Loss.
whatever you are having.
Last.
समझ में आया सबको?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I'm going to give you some amounts out of it. You just have to instant calculate. I'm going to give you here now. Okay. Just a second. I will mute yourself. Please don't unmute yourself right now. Okay. I'm going to give you some. You have direct material. First, sales. Sales 1,000. Sales 1,000. Direct material 50. Direct labor 100. Then after you have direct expenses 25. Then you have works or production expenses. I will take. You have to understand what is production expenses now. Production expenses, its cost is 125. Then after you have opening stock of WIP 35. Opening stock of WIP 35. Then after you have closing stock of WIP 10. Then after you are having admin overheads. Overheads is denotes as OH, huh? Students, keep in mind this thing. Administrative overheads 40. Then after you are having research and development cost. Research and development cost 140. Then after you are having opening stock of FG, opening stock of FG 50. Then you are having closing stock of FG 20. Then after you are having sales and distribution expenses 10. Okay. Find out profit or loss. Now start calculating in the same manner which we have done already. Start calculating fast. And जिन्होंने अब तक अटेंडेंस नहीं दी है, प्लीज गिव यू अटेंडेंस, बिकॉज 82 दिख रहा है, 92 दिख रहा है और 82 ही अटेंडेंस है. तो जो लोग भूले वो अपना अटेंडेंस दे दो. Amrin, if you are having any doubt, just unmute yourself and ask me.
मैम एक बार फिर से स्टार्टिंग से आप क्लियर करवाएंगे?
Divesh, turn off your camera. Okay, Amrin, what happened?
मैम आप फिर से एक बार स्टार्टिंग से क्लियर करवाएंगे, एक्सप्लेन फिर से एक बार.
See, first you are having direct material. You have to add in the direct material, direct labor, direct expenses. Then after you will get your prime cost. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you will add prime cost with the work overheads, add opening stock of WIP minus closing stock of WIP, you will get works cost. Once you will get that one, again you have to add quality overheads and research and development. Once you will get research and development and admin. Okay, just a second. What I'll do, I will explain you some over here only. Okay, in the whiteboard. Now, just unmute yourself now. जिनको समझ में आया है वो लोग बोलेंगे. Okay. First, what we are going to take?
Direct material. Direct material.
Direct material. In direct material, we have 50. Okay. Then, what we have next? Direct labor. What is the amount of direct labor?
Labor.
100. Then after direct expenses, 25. Right? The addition of all these three. Addition of all these three. What is that? Prime cost.
Prime cost.
Okay, prime cost will 170.
175.
Then add. What we have to add again? Add works cost. Works cost is same as production expenses. याद रखना, production expenses, students, production expenses and works overheads both are same. Production expenses, factory overheads, works expenses, तीनों का एक ही नेम है. So do not forget it. अगर प्रोडक्शन की जगह पे अगर आपका फैक्ट्री भी आता है तो भी उसका भी मतलब वही है. अगर तुम्हारा वर्क्स भी आता है तो भी मीनिंग सेम ही होगा. याद नहीं रहा तो कहीं पे लिख लो, बाद में तुम लोग को ये लगेगा. Okay, now what we are going to add? Production expenses. Okay, production expenses कितने हैं?
125.
125. Okay, then after what we have to add in, what we have to do in next over here, we have to add opening stock.
Opening stock.
Opening stock कितना है हमारा?
35.
Opening stock कितना है? 35. इसमें से लेस क्या करेंगे हम लोग?
Closing stock.
Closing stock.
लेस
Closing
closing stock. Okay,
Closing
closing stock. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट? 175 प्लस 125 कितने हुए हैं?
300.
300 प्लस 35
335.
330. 175 plus 335 minus 10.
325.
तुम लोगों को याद है ना, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक माइनस होता है कंपल्सरी. क्लोजिंग, हाँ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक माइनस होता है, सबको पता है ना. अब हमारा क्या आ गया इसमें से? कॉस्ट ऑफ वर्क्स कॉस्ट आ गया. वर्क्स कॉस्ट कितना आया हमारा अभी?
325.
325. सबको ये चीज यहाँ तक समझ में आई?
Yes.
हम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया स्टूडेंट्स, याद रखो. जिन लोगों को अभी भी नहीं समझा है, 50 प्लस 100 प्लस 25 तीनों को ऐड करके प्राइम कॉस्ट आया. चाहिए ये हमारा प्राइम कॉस्ट आया. देन आफ्टर इसमें से प्रोडक्शन एक्सपेंसेस को ऐड किया 125. देन ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऐड किया 175 प्लस 125 प्लस 35 माइनस 10. तो हमारा आंसर आया 325. ओके, अब अगर हमारा वर्क्स कॉस्ट निकला तो नेक्स्ट हमारा काम क्या है? रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट को ऐड करना.
Development.
रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट कितना है? 140. Yes, इसमें से और क्या ऐड होगा हमारा? एडमिन ऐड होगा.
एडमिन ओवरहेड.
एडमिन ओवरहेड ऐड होगा. एडमिन कितना है हमारा?
40.
40.
ओके,
40.
अभी 325 प्लस 140 प्लस 40. अब ये क्या आया हमारा?
505.
505.
505. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग?
कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन.
कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ओके, कितना है कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हमारा? 505. अब इसमें से क्या ऐड होगा, क्या माइनस होगा?
Opening stock.
ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फैक्ट्री माइनस क्लोजिंग स्टॉक
Add and
ऑफ
less closing stock.
ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ
505.
प्रोडक्शन कितना है? ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन 50. देन लेस माइनस क्या होगा? क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ
Closing stock.
क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. वो डायरेक्टली समझो तुम लोग. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कितना है? 20. सही है. 505 प्लस 50 कितना हुआ? 555. राइट.
355.
हाँ, 555 माइनस 20 कितना हुआ?
535.
535. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स
Goods.
सोल्ड. कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड कितना आया? 535.
35.
समझ में आया ये?
535.
मैम
अब इसके अंदर क्या ऐड करेंगे और हम लोग? सेल्स एंड
Distribution.
Distribution.
सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन.
Cost of goods sold.
ओके,
5.
सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सेल्स. ओके, सेल्स का अमाउंट कितना है हमारा? 10.
10.
ओके, 535 प्लस 10 कितना हुआ?
Distribution.
545.
545.
545. ये क्या आया हमारा? कॉस्ट ऑफ
Sales.
सेल्स. कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स कितना है?
10.
545. ठीक है, अब नीचे क्या आएगा हमारा?
545.
प्रॉफिट और लॉस जो भी होगा वो.
Loss.
ठीक है, एंड लास्ट में क्या आएगा? सेल्स. सेल्स कितना है हमारा?
Sales.
1000.
1000.
सही है. 1000 सेल्स है जो पहले ही सम में दिया
हाँ.
होता है. याद रखना, सेल्स हमेशा सम में
Profit और
दिया
loss.
होता है. ओके,
और
अब
loss.
535. हाँ, 1000 माइनस 545 कितना हुआ? 455.
5.
परफेक्ट. ये आया तुम्हारा आंसर. 4, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. 455. ओके, कुछ समझाने की जरूरत है अभी? क्या आया क्या नहीं आया?
मैम एक बार वापस बताओ.
वापस एक बार. इसको मैं ना अपने गूगल मीट पे, सॉरी गूगल क्लासरूम में डाल दूंगी. एक बार तुम लोग वापस वहां से देखना, ठीक है? Because we are having now next 7 minutes only and I have to go with the sum only. Okay, again I'm going to share screen with you. So instant, within a 3 minutes solve this sum now fast. ये sum को solve करना है and I want answer fast. अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को और मेरे को 5 मिनट के अंदर इसका आंसर चाहिए. अभी जिन लोगों को समझा है वो लोग फटाफट कर लेंगे. मटेरियल रिटर्न टू सप्लायर माइनस करना है. सामने फॉर्मेट है और सामने ही सम है. डू इट फास्ट. Don't unmute yourself as it is, please. Start solving. Please don't unmute yourself because others are irritating because of your one voice. ओके, सॉल्व किया स्टूडेंट, सॉल्व हुआ? सॉल्व हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? स्टूडेंट्स
बाकी है मैम।
ओके, ये जो शीट है मैं अभी नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स में तुम्हारे गूगल क्लासरूम में सेंड कर रही हूँ. इट विल बी लाइक योर होमवर्क. ये तुम्हारा टेस्ट टाइप होगा कि तुम लोगों को कितना आ रहा है कितना नहीं आ रहा है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू एंड विद इन 1 मिनट नाउ, सो आई हैव टू कीप इन दैट थिंग्स अगेन इन माइंड. ओके, कल के लेक्चर में अगेन एक सम होगा, जो सम हम लोग यहीं पे सॉल्व करेंगे, एंड एक सम होमवर्क होगा. सब लोग इसके साथ ठीक है? सब लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? एंड जिन लोगों को आज नहीं समझा है, व्हाट वी विल डू, कल वापस जब मैं तुम लोगों को व्हाइट बोर्ड पे सम सॉल्व करवाऊंगी तब ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. लेकिन सिंपल है, अभी इन शॉर्ट बता रही हूँ क्या करना है. पहला क्या आएगा तुम्हारा? डायरेक्ट मटेरियल में मटेरियल परचेस आया. मटेरियल परचेस 1,50,000 प्लस ओपनिंग स्टॉक, सॉरी मटेरियल परचेस आएगा, देन माइनस रिटर्न टू सप्लायर्स प्लस ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल लेस क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल. जो भी आएगा वो आएगा तुम्हारा नेट मटेरियल कंज्यूम. देन एड डायरेक्ट लेबर, एड डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, तुम्हारा आ जाएगा प्राइम कॉस्ट. फिर आएगा फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस, जैसे मैंने अब बोला प्रोडक्शन वर्क्स कॉस्ट, इन तीनों का एक ही मतलब है, एक फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस. एड फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस, नीचे बाकी कुछ दिया नहीं है तो सीधा सीधा एड फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? वर्क्स कॉस्ट आ जाएगा. अगेन एड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ओवरहेड्स, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आ जाएगा. एड सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, तुम्हारा कॉस्ट ऑफ सोल्ड आ जाएगा. एंड नीचे प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है तो प्रॉफिट प्लस कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स इज इक्वल टू योर सेल्स आ जाएगा. ओके, फिर भी हम लोग, अगर तुम लोगों को डाउट होगा तो कल वापस मैं ले लूंगी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. हियर वी आर क्लोजिंग अवर मीटिंग. ओके, वी कैन बी डिस्कनेक्टेड नाउ. हम लोग अब डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे.